The foundation of true prophecy is hearing God's voice clearly. Then we said God is always speaking, number one, regardless whether you hear or not. So God is always speaking. Number two, we said we just need to make sure that we recognize His voice. And God always communicates, but we often miss His voices because we do not recognize Him speaking. That's number one there. That's the key idea on that one. Then we said you need to prepare your heart to hear. That's another one. So preparing your heart to hear. And we also said discerning and testing the prophetic words. Is this word actually coming from God, or is this word actually coming from your own? And then we also said on the teaching there on the testing and prophetic words, discerning is it biblically tested? Is it edification, exhortation, or comforting? Does it does it gives fruits and motivation? And we were also speaking about the practical ways to discern. So does the message agree with the scripture? God will not contradict Himself. And we said, does it glorify Jesus or glorify the prophet? So true prophecy magnifies Christ. And does it build up, encourage, or comfort? Or does it induce fear or condemnation? What is the fruit? Does the word lead to a greater holiness and love?